Oh. I didn't turn it on. I turned it on. I'm sorry, guys.
Turn it on for.
I turned it on.
What do you turn it on for?
I don't know. I don't know why. Oh wait, do you want me to turn it back off? Okay, I'll turn it back off. I'll turn it off. Yeah, it's off. Sorry guys about that. My auntie just wants to. Bye guys, that's it for today. And this slime is called Galaxy because it's a galaxy color. I know it's because it's blurry because it looks gray, but it's purple, half white. Do you see it? It's purple. See, it's purple. And I mixed it with blue, purple, pink, and gold. See you guys later. Bye.